Acknowledgments. In writing the premises for Premises book and audiobook, I'm very grateful to my family and friends who've supported me spiritually, socially, academically, and professionally. My late parents, Volodymyr and Lubomyra Oharenko, skilled professionals and hard-driving parents, raised me to think independently. My father, an engineer, and my mother, a chemist, held patents for various products, including safety lamps and chemical processing devices. They taught me about creativity, being a cornerstone of success. My late sister, Maria Oharenko, a professional journalist, trained me to write clearly and concisely. She insisted that less is more when composing articles and books. I hope I'm meeting her expectations. The late Professors Mike Farrell of DePaul University and Dr. James Graaskamp inspired me to learn about real estate investing and guided me through my formative college years. Professor Michael Farrell, of DePaul University, my first mentor, ingrained the idea of real estate as a socially responsible asset class, and not just about the money. Dr. James Graaskamp, also known as the Chief of the University of Wisconsin-Madison, one of the most provocative and influential thought leaders of the real estate industry during the 20th century. I enjoyed the great fortune of being one of his graduate students, and am now a hardened disciple. In particular, Chief revolutionized thinking on space-time units and the most probable valuation methodology. Grandmaster Gary Keller, and others, in the martial arts community, taught me the value of understanding self-defense and how to stay physically and spiritually balanced. My different employers, business partners, people who I've worked with, or influenced my professional real estate career and thinking include, in chronological order: F. Kotz, Walter Kotz, Walter Paulus, Andy Chichuola, Myron Lisconge, Gene Davis, Ruth Davis, Jill Hatton, Mike Robbins, Tom McCahill, Jim Curtis, Jim Smith, Jeff Davis, Myron Luzak, Jared Schlace, Richard Rodovig, Roman Missick, Bob Wattrell, Mike Kos, Conrad Reuter, Roland Reeves, John Baird, Steve Baird, Perry Levin, John Linehan, Tony Kolomietz, Mark Noble, Tom Connerty, Marshall Bennett, Bill Alter, Todd Lillibridge, Tony Kolomietz, Jane Enders, Larry Oshkin, Arthur Slavin, John McClendon, Steve Fifield, Bruce Ludwig, John Kell Martin, Timothy Hartnett, Joanne Carpenter, James Oblon, Arthur Morante, Kevin Haggerty, Len Helbig, John Dowling, Don Pescara, Eric Wallen, Mikola Domashevsky, Mike Brannon, David Kramer, Barry Gersten, Mike Grant, Jerry Prassis, Vasis Garbonkas, Mike Luby, Chris Bletschmidt, Stuart Greenberg, Bob Toland, Gene Peck, David Yale, Tim Rydia, Cindy McSherry, Marty Stern, Charlie Shaw, Kristen Dean, Charlie Moran, Suzanne Cannon, John Tsui, Gary Duff, Laura Kathleen, Mordecai Tesler, Paul Matusiak, Mike Covarrubias, Aldo Monskis, Dania Stumbries, Serena Wolf, Jim Persino, Mark Epley, and many more professionals. Firms include Schlace & Company, Baird & Warner, Cushman & Wakefield, Royal LePage, Republic Mortgage Corporation, GMAC, Commercial Mortgage Corporation, Capmark Finance, and Berkadia Commercial Mortgage. Also, I'd like to acknowledge others, including select images provided by PresenterMedia.com. Various quotations sourced from BrainyQuote.com. Definitions courtesy of differencebetween.com, freedictionary.com, landforgood.org, merriam-webster.com, and wordmanufacturing.com. Thank you all. John Oharenko.
Thank you for listening to the sample audiobook. Full version available by purchasing on Amazon.com and other booksellers.